Hello nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. We are going to be talking about the Spruced Up Stamping Starter Kit from Maniology today. People, if you love Maniology, you might want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I am for real. I am a Maniology fan. So let's get to it. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this stamping starter kit. I'm super excited. I am so ready for this. So let's get to it. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, so our very first thing that we see is Maniology's plate M167, and you can see it has Merry Christmas, all different kinds of like sweater things. I love these trees. This is definitely one of the reasons I got this, and I thought this "'Tis the Season" is cute. Oh, look at these trees too. So lots of different varieties of Christmassy kind of things. So let's explore what else is in this kit. You have your Maniology stamping guide, of course, needed for the beginner. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? This is the scraper that you'll get. Let's unpackage that. It's green. It's got cute little Christmas trees on it, and pretty rigid actually. And yeah, that's cute. It is a smaller size than a normal scraper, but still very usable. Okay, this is their ice cube stamper, also known as a holy shamo, you guys, they package stuff really well. Also known as, oh my gosh, this is not an ice cube stamper. I totally forgot. This is a monocle stamper then? Wow, it's so pretty. It's got the back on it. You guys, this is a nice stamper. This is a really nice stamper. This is a monocle stamper, and the one I have has a little crack in it, so this is awesome with a cute little top. Oh my gosh, adorable. Okay, let's see what else we have. This color, people, let me see if I can get it out of here. It's one of my absolute faves. I believe it's the one called Frozen. I always call it Frosted. It is so cute. Yes, this is Frozen. This is an excellent, excellent color. It's such a beautiful white. I will put a picture right here of the swatched color. It's so pretty. Okay, and finally, we've got this dark, luscious green looking color. This one is called Greenhouse. Very appropriate for Christmas trees. And I will put a swatch of that right here for you. Okay, so let's review. What do you get in your box? You get, of course, your stamping guide. You get, of course, your plate M167. You will also get the stamping polish Greenhouse, and you'll get the stamping polish Frozen. You get an adorable scraper, and you get a fantastic monocle stamper. Wow, what a great deal. I got this for the Black Friday sale for $12, you guys. This is an amazing deal. So there you have it. That is Maniology's Spruced Up Stamping Starter Kit. Now, you know I am a Maniology fan. If you would like to get 10% off of your Maniology order, you are welcome to go to their website, maniology.com. Type in the code GrooveMama and get yourself 10%, people, 10% off your order. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. That would be amazing. And people, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. And like this video too. That would be great. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got.